Are you tired of splashing dairy on your smooth smoothie routine or wrestling with store-bought nut milks that have more additives than almonds? Fear not. The era of homemade nut milk is upon us, and it's easier and far more delicious than you've ever imagined. Dive into our guide on the best nut milk makers that will revolutionize your kitchen game. Get ready to unleash your inner nutty barista and sip on silky smooth homemade goodness that's fresher than your favorite artisanal cafe. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Tribest SB130 Soyabella, our pick for best budget nut milk maker. If you're on the hunt for a nut milk maker that won't break the bank but will still kick your plant-based dairy game up a notch, meet the Tribest SB130 Soyabella. It's the superhero of the nut milk world, here to save your mornings and your wallet. In just 15 minutes, you can transform soybeans into silky soy milk, or whip up almond, rice, or cashew milk like the kitchen wizard you are. Short on time? Don't sweat it. You can even create raw, unheated milk in as little as 30 seconds, perfect for those days when you need your coffee fix fast. But it doesn't stop at milk making. This nifty gadget grinds coffee beans, flax seeds, and spices into a smooth, fine consistency thanks to its impressive helical blades. Say goodbye to coffee shop prices and hello to cafe-quality brews from your own kitchen. Worried about messy mishaps? With built-in safety features, this machine has your back, preventing pesky overflows and overheating. And with a stainless steel carafe and BPA-free parts, you can sip without the fear of chemicals crashing your health party. Lightweight, compact, and adorned in sleek black and stainless steel, the Soyabella is practically begging to be your kitchen sidekick. So, get ready to elevate your health game. Plant-based, delicious drinks are just a blend away. Number 4. Nutr Automatic, our pick for best single-serve nut milk maker. If you've ever found yourself craving a creamy plant-based milk but felt overwhelmed by the thought of making it yourself, the Nutr Automatic nut milk maker is here to rescue you from the dairy dilemma. With this sleek machine, whipping up your favorite nut, oat, or soy milk is as easy as pouring in your chosen ingredients, adding water, and letting the magic happen. Say goodbye to store-bought alternatives that taste like cardboard. Your homemade concoction will have you feeling like a true kitchen wizard. The Nutr doesn't just stop at milk. It's your ticket to a world of deliciousness, from frothy lattes to smoothies that pack a punch. With 3 heat settings, you can chill your oat milk or heat things up for the coziest creamers. Plus, it doubles as an electric kettle for those moments when a good cup of tea calls your name. Worried about cleanup? Fret not. With automatic cleaning and a 90-second rinse cycle, you'll be back to your day in no time. Armed with stainless steel measuring scoops, a strainer, and even a recipe book to spark your culinary creativity, you're set to explore the delightful world of plant-based beverages. So grab those nuts and get ready to blend. It's time to become the milk maestro you were always meant to be. Still searching for the perfect nut milk maker? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. MioMat 8-in-1 Plant-Based, our pick for best family size and multifunction nut milk maker. If you've ever dreamed of a kitchen gadget that does it all, your search is over. Meet the MioMat 8-in-1 Plant-Based Nut Milk Maker, your new best friend in culinary adventures. With its sleek white design and built-in grinder, it's like having a personal sous chef that's always up for a challenge. Why settle for store-bought when you can whip up 37 to 43 ounces of fresh, creamy, plant-based milk right at home? Simply toss in half a cup of your favorite nuts, seeds, grains, or legumes. Add water, press a button, and voila! In a few minutes, you'll be savoring your very own milk crafted to perfection. Feel free to get creative. More ingredients lead to even denser and tastier milk. But wait, there's more. The MioMat isn't just a milk maker, it's a culinary powerhouse. Craving a warm, hearty soup? Need a nutrient-packed porridge? How about a refreshing smoothie? Just throw in your desired ingredients, select the program, and let MioMat work its magic. With a built-in heating system and an efficient grinding system, it not only preserves all those delightful nutrients, but also ensures that your meals are as easy to digest as they are delicious. Let's not forget the included recipe book to kickstart your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of homemade goodness with the MioMat and let your kitchen creativity soar. Number 2, Almond Cow Plant-Based, our pick for best large batch nut milk maker. If you've been longing for a smooth, creamy plant-based milk that doesn't come with a side of additives or mystery ingredients, you're in for a treat. Meet the Almond Cow, your new best friend in the kitchen that turns you into a nut milk connoisseur, all while saving the planet one batch at a time. Say goodbye to those endless trips to the store for overpriced cartons of milk. With the Almond Cow, you can whip up 5 to 6 cups of your very own almond, oat, or even cashew milk in mere moments. Why settle for mediocre when you can be the proud maker of artisanal, homemade vegan milk right in your own kitchen? But hold on, you don't need a culinary degree or a magic wand. This nifty stainless steel contraption operates with just one push of a button. Toss in your favorite nuts, seeds, or grains, and voila! Fresh, delicious milk flows right out. And for those who dread cleanup duty, fear not. The Almond Cow makes it a breeze with minimal mess, leaving you more time to enjoy your creamy creations. Join the nut milk revolution today and let your taste buds celebrate their newfound freedom. It's time to elevate your dairy-free game with the Almond Cow, because life's too short for anything less than fabulous milk. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, ChefWave Milkmade, our pick for best nut milk maker overall. If you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen game and go plant-based without breaking a sweat, let me introduce you to the ChefWave Milkmade, the best nut milk maker that'll have you squeezing and blending like a pro. This sleek gray marvel not only looks good on your countertop, but it's also packing a punch with its 6-in-1 superpowers. Whether you fancy almond, oat, soy, cashew, macadamia, or coconut milk, with just the touch of a button, you can whip up creamy goodness that's tailored to your taste buds. Yes, you can even add a touch of vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry to really up your beverage game. What's more, you'll be sipping on delightful concoctions that are not only delicious but rich in all the good stuff, vitamins, minerals, and protein, while being naturally lactose-free. The ChefWave Milkmade employs pressurized steam, heat, and blend technology to ensure your ingredients are safe and sound, banishing those pesky enzyme inhibitors from raw materials. Forget about tedious prep work, because this genius machine has an auto-clean function that takes care of the mess for you. Want to savor your creations later? The included glass pitcher makes storage a breeze. And whether you're in a mood for a quick 10-ounce serving or want to treat yourself to a luxurious 20-ounce batch, you're covered. Grab your ChefWave Milkmade and start your creamy adventure today. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best nut milk makers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which nut milk maker you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.